Gold has been appreciated all over the world, and the reason is because of its very special qualities, that it's malleable and it's soft, but it doesn't tarnish. So the gleam of gold speaks a universal language all over the world, and this is proven by the things we see here. The back of the paper is gilded and it's set in on a piece of red silk, and the entire item is about 2 meters high. So it looks is written in Persian, which is the official language of the Mughal kingdom.